Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC Desire 628 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. I already did that on HTC because it was taking forever, so I can open it right away. And from this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Following that, choose receive on an Android and send on HTC. Then tap on all of those dots and just send. So sorry, misclick. This way you will transfer all of your files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Then wait a couple of seconds and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!